All right, everybody, welcome back. It's time for another month of woodworking deals at Woodcraft, March 2026. We're going to go have a look at what's available this month. So let's go down to my local Woodcraft of Baltimore. Great place, really great guys. Highly recommend it if you're in the area. So let's look at our flyer. Woodcraft has 10% off Laguna tools and accessories, no blades, no abrasives. You can't get your resaw king. On the cover here, they're showing the Supermax 1632 drum sander, $1,439.10. Down from $1,599. And if you look here down at the bottom, Raycon 10% off. See page 8. Looks like there's going to be some Raycon deals. I think that's a little more limited, but we'll get into that as we get to it. So let's go into the first page. And starting off at the very top, 20% off, $100, the Raycon Z3 4-jaw lathe chucks. I don't know anything about turning, but I guess if you have a lathe and you need some chucks, this could be a great way to go. 20% off Penmaker's drill bit set. So again, more lathing, $38.39. Then there's the Wood River 5-piece mini turning tool set, 40% off, $45. I think that's a pretty good deal. 40% off. Anything over like 20% is really a great time. Here's something I didn't even know they had. The Wood River Vintage Lighter Kit, $5 off at 15 bucks. Next up is the Wood River Turner Sanding Pack. This is a 5-grit set assortment, 1 inch by 20 feet sanding rolls. I actually have this one. This is actually a really nice little pack. Wood River 00 Center Finder, $5, 50% off. All right, tucked all the way in the back is this Wood River 4-piece clamping squares, 8 inches, $30 off, $25. Over here with the blades, there's the Sarge 8-inch Tanto Liner Lock Folder Knife Set, $8 off, 20 bucks. And then the second knife that they have on sale is the Wood River 7-inch Kiridashi. I guess this is some kind of Japanese style knife. Well, that's why it's called Kiridashi. $19, $10 off. All right, not bad. Of course, if you got blades and you need to sharpen them, and you can use the Wood River 8-inch by 1-inch CBN grinding wheel, 120 grit with a 3/8-inch arbor, 140 bucks, $40 off. That's a pretty good deal. And of course, if you're a turner, they've got the Sorby Thin Curve Parting Tool, $35.24, which is 25% off. All right, that seems pretty good. And then if you're looking to make a cane, 20% off select cane hardware. Look at this. We've got the handles and then the tips and then the shaft connectors. Is that what they're called? I guess so. All right, let's move on to our next page at the very top, starting off at $150, which is $50 off. So what that's like, that's 25% off. Wood River 8-piece parallel clamp set. So what are you getting here? You get these two 24-inch parallel clamps, two 40-inch parallel clamps, and 4 parallel clamping blocks. That's pretty nice. Look at that. It's in a big box and it's all in green. So, all right, let's see what else we got here. It's $19.54 starting for the 8-inch, and then the 12-inch is $21.24. 15% off the Wood River Quick Gear clamps. I hadn't seen these before, so I wanted to take a little closer look at them. And these have those like locking cams. They're kind of cool. All right, what do we else do we have? 20% off starting at $22.39. The Lumberton Sanding Detailer Kits. As you can see here, we got a whole bunch of Lumberton Sanding Detailers. All right, let's see. Next is 50% off, $17.49. Wood River 8-piece detail carving tool set. Look at this. It's a little tiny, cute little set here. 8 tools. If you want to get into carving, this is probably a great way to get some tools to get, starting your carving journey. This is one I didn't see in the store, but here you could see the tray, and this is the Wood River silicone glue roller and tray, $10, $6 off. Now this next thing is something that I'm thinking about buying myself, the Stop Loss Bags Quart 4-pack. All right, let's move on here. The Okubo 1/8-inch blue steel marking knife, 50% off, $17. I actually bought this one last year during the sale. This is a really nice quality marking knife that you can resharpen as it gets dull, so I think it's worth buying. Let's see here. We got the Tight Bond melamine glue. So if you're making melamine, this is a great glue for that. $2 off, $6. And here's something, Pyramex VG80 earmuffs, $10 off at $25. I think that it's super important for you to get hearing protection, and you could buy the nicer ones. I have one of those, like the super fancy one, but I never use those features because when I'm working with machinery, I don't want to be distracted. I think this is probably the better way to go, a little more economical, and it's got good noise reduction. Was it 26 dB reduction? That's solid. So it's something to think about. Let's move on to the stainless steel center finding rules from WoolerTech, starting at $8, which is $5 off 12-inch and 24-inch. Silver gripper tweezers, $2 off, $5. Okay, let's hear here. Wood River drill press table, $100, $45 off with a standard fence. So this is what you bolt onto your drill press and, use it as a table. They also have the bigger fence. Look at this though. Deluxe drill press fence, $80, $40 off. They're both together. Look at that stacked up next to those Jet and Powermatic, drill presses. Ooh. All right, let's go back to the back row. And here we've got the Wood River Economy Quick Release Front Vise. If you're looking to put together a front vise, this is a great little contraption. I've got one of the other vices from Wood River, one of the cast irons. And you know what? So far, so good. I think the quality is solid on those. So this is probably worth considering, especially if you're looking for a front vise like this. $85, $50 off. And next up is $60 off at $100 US. Wood River 4-piece bevel edge socket chisel set. The bevel edges are good, I think, for dovetailing. And the socket edges are kind of like a classic design. Really quite nice, really quite nice. Okay, next up is the High Point 4-piece gimlet set. I didn't know what a gimlet was for. $3, 50% off. That's worth trying. I asked Pat, what is a gimlet? And he starts talking about an alcoholic beverage. I was like, okay, that's probably not it. And it was Paul that was like, oh, that's actually for like pilot holing. I was like, oh, if you need something to help you get pilot holes, the gimlet is there for you. Oh, here's my favorite thing. Every month I like to get the different saws that are on sale. And here we are, the razor saw Seiyum Saku Komame Ryoba with TPE grip, 240 millimeters, number 662, 50% off at $28. I'm going to buy that. Actually, all the staff at Woodcraft, they all know at the beginning of the month, I'm buying one of those saws. Whatever the ones that's being on special this month. Okay, let's see here. The Beltec stainless pads, stain applicators, $12.99, 12 packs. So that's just over $1 each, $10 off. And these are really nice little stain applicators. Rub your finishes on. It's pretty good. They're pretty nice. And it's not terribly expensive. So if you need to just dump it after, not a big deal. One thing that I've been running into lately, some guys will come in and they're like, hey, what kind of plane should I get for my very first hand plane? And it's always a question between, do you recommend the 4, the 5? And last month the 6 was on sale. So that's a little bit big for general use for the first timer. But this one might be the one to get. As you can see here on the stack, they don't have any at the moment. But here's the sweetheart that looks like this. We're looking at the Wood River number 62 low angle jack plane, $60 off, $230. Now, if you are looking for a new plane to get into it, this is actually a great choice. I think the low angle jacks are really nice. I've been playing around with the different Wood River planes over the last couple months, and they're pretty nice, especially these version 3s. Yeah, it's be worth it. All right, the Windbag Air Shim and Leveling Tool with Pump, $5 off, $20. This is if you want to shim stuff like a cabinet or something. You shove it under there and you start squeezing that bulb, and then it lifts things up and, it does that. Okay, what else next? Wood River 100-piece Brad Point and Twist Drill Bit Combo Box, $40 off, $40. 40. Nice. I mean, what's there to say? Wood River 100-piece drill bits. These are the ones you use and you break, you toss them, and you grab another one. So not a bad way to go. Next up, the Olsen adjustable frame fret saw, 3-inch cutting depth. If you're looking for a fret saw, 30% off, $23.09. I don't know what's going on with these 09 weird prices. And then the Olsen 36-piece fret saw blade assortment. As you can see, this whole stack, Olsen's got a whole bunch of blades, lots to choose from. But this one is the combo pack, 30% off, $14. And then speaking of drills, we've got the Wood River 24-piece high carbon steel Imperial Forstner bit set for $240, which is $90 off. Oh, that's pretty nice because it comes in a wood box. Look at that. You're all like super fancy woodworker with that kind of thing. Next is the Core Light Hesperus rechargeable work light, $10 and $5 off. This is a light that I bought last year when it was on sale. I was super excited to get it. And I gotta say, I'm a little bit disappointed with it, right? It's a decent light. It just doesn't have a lot of lumens. Like, I want it to be brighter, but I do like that it has this swivel base. So you can see that base at the bottom. That actually swivels, and it's a magnetic base, so that's really nice. And then it's got the rotating knobs. You can change the intensity of the light. But after that, the light bar doesn't articulate very far, and it just needs more oomph. Like, give me more oomph, please, Core Light. Okay, in case you need to clean your saw blades, Wood River, the saw blade cleaning tray, $10 off, 25 bucks. So that's a good one. On the next page, like every Woodcraft around the nation, is a bunch of classes. So if you want to learn more about woodworking, Woodcraft typically has some good ones. I've taken a few, like I took two in the last few months. The last one I took was how to make a Moxon vise, which turned out to be really great. I finally finished it. Great teachers. As you can see here, we've got Ryan Benson, Mike Ryer, Sarah Marriage, David Welch, Joe Stein, George Rothman. So a lot of great teachers teaching at Woodcraft. Wherever you are, there's going to be a Woodcraft, and they're going to have their own schedule of classes. Be sure to check out the website and consider expanding your world. And then, as always, there's usually 2 demos a month at Woodcraft. The first one is the table saw tune-up, Saturday, March 14th at 1 p.m. So how to take care of your table saw and, all that kind of stuff. So that should be pretty good. And then a week later on the 21st, joinery jigs, how to use and why to buy. I don't really use too many jigs, but might be worth checking out so that I can maybe learn how to use them and maybe make better quality, woodworking. Moving on to the next page, we got the GSM Clear Cut Surface Table Saw Stock Guides. Wow, that's a hard one. So the $200. This is a new product. These are new products. These are not discounted products. So you got that plus the Mag Switch 150S phenolic base for the STS guides. You can see them all on this PCS. And then you've got the GSM Ripstick for TS and STX stock guides. I don't know how those two go together, but it's fairly weighty and it's got a nice feel to it. Just push through the stock guides. I mean, the stock guides prevent, the boards from kicking back at you. So that's kind of important, right? So some things for you to consider. Another thing that's new is the Arkansas sharpening stones, starting at 50 bucks and moving up. You can see here they've got the soft, hard, and surgical black. And next in the new category is the Beavercraft leather crafting kits. Your choice of $45. They've got wallet, glasses, and bracelets. Then there's the GSM box joint jig, $200. I guess this is going to tie in with that jig class on the 21st, so that could be interesting. Cut saw shaping disc, dishes, and contour wheels, 20% off. So all of those get a discount. I might buy a couple of those myself. That sounds pretty darn good. And then we've also, in the carving sphere, got the ArborTech Precision Carving System, $20 off, $130. Followed by the ArborTech Bale Gouge, $15 off at $115. And then rounding out the ArborTech selections, the Spheroplane Carving Attachment. This is something you attach to your grinder, and then you can do power carving. I've never used it. My friend has one. He loves it. Carter Products urethane bandsaw tires starting at $20, going up from there. Different sizes of bandsaw tires for your bandsaw. Maybe your tires need replacement. These are very high quality urethane. People seem to love them. People always recommend them. So that's a good way to go. We've also got the Wood River table saw thin rip jig, $32, 20% off. I have this one and I've used it quite a lot. It works pretty darn well. There are definitely fancier ones out there. It's a great buy at $32, so something to consider. All right, next up is without wood, it's just working. So we've got some wood specials going on here. Purple Heart is 40% off, starting at $6.59. That's the cool thing about this Purple Heart. It just looks so purple. Now, at some point, it's supposed to get brown, but right now, it looks cool. Then we've got Baltic Birch Flat Edge Drawer Side Stocks. So if you're looking to make drawers, this is the easy way to go. At 20% off, starting at $8. And then there's Select 1/4-inch Birch Plywood, 20% off also, starting at $17.59. More wood, teak wood, Tectona Grandis, 40% off, starting at $10.79 for a board. If you're a turner, we've got the Amazakoe Guibertia Ehie, $6. And Woodcraft's also getting some new cutting boards, or at least I haven't seen these before, but exotic cutting board kit of Angelique Hard Maple and Wenge, 40% off, starting at $24. Ooh, that could be a nice way to make some gifts. And then here we've got the eye gauging precision setup block set, 15-piece, $15 off, $75. Eye gauging is actually a company that I've really appreciated a lot of their measuring tools. They've been very high quality. I've got a few of them, and I wouldn't have any question buying these setup blocks compared to other ones. And if you like to use templates, they've got the Avery woodworking tape, 1 inch wide with a 50-inch roll, $5 off, $19.99, $20. I've used this one myself. It works fairly well. I think one of the things, if you put it to your template first and then put on the workpiece, it tends to stick better. Next, the System 3 Rot Fix Penetrating Epoxy Wood Sealer Kit. So if you've got some rotting woods and you need to like stop the rot, I think this is the way to go. 2-part system, $10 off, $40. And working along with that is the System 3 Sculpt Wood Epoxy Putty Kit. So if you stabilize your rotted wood and you need to fill part of it, $10 off, also $40. All right, last page here, March 1st to the 14th only. Save 10% on Rikon tools and accessories. So all of these tools on Rikon are going to be off 10%. You know, honestly, 10% is not crazy good, but that's pretty much what manufacturers are giving now. So if you're going to buy one of these tools, you might as well buy it on any kind of sale that you can get. So they got the Rikon from March 1st to 14th, and then 10% off also on the Jet woodworking tools and accessories, but that's only for 10 days, March 6th to the 16th only. So make sure you watch those because those have a narrow window of availability. But it looks like these other two items, the Rikon half horsepower 10-inch by 18-inch pen lathe, the 7105, is $70 off, $330. I think this and the Rikon 1.5 horsepower dust collector at $500, which is $100 off. I think these two are going to be on sale for the entire month of March. Get the other stuff first and then go get these after. And then we got a couple other Craig tools that are on sale. $10 off for the Craig AccuCut Circular Saw Guide Track System, $79.99. Then there's the Craig Pocket Hole Jig 720 Pro. This is the one that came out not too long ago. If you do a lot of pocket holes, I think it's going to be very convenient for you to use. $130. $20 off. And then finally, the Craig Adaptive Cutting System saw with 62-inch track kit. So the saw, the track, everything. Yeah, if you need a track saw, that could be a great way to go. And then the last thing for March, the Schoberg Scandi Plus 1825 Workbench Storage Module and Accessory Kit. You can see it here without the storage kit. These are fancy ones. You're only saving $500 when you buy all three. So you got to buy all three. $22.30, which I think in the Schoberg's world, that's a good deal, right? Thanks for tuning in. Hope this helps. Think about subscribing. Tell your friends, and we'll see you next month.